So let's get to the first part. We're just gonna lay down the drums or the melody first, and then we're gonna lay down the drums. But it's not gonna be long like the other one. I'm gonna keep everything nice and short. Got rounds. Now I dig that. That's cool. It's like the second sound. The Night. It should be called the Cat Night. War of the Cats. No. No, straight up. No, it's going let me get to it. Let me stop playing. Alright. I'm only going to use those two. Yeah. Here we go. All right. Man, I ain't digging them drums. Let me see if I got a drum loop or something. I think I got it. Where's it at? Okay, all right, let me try to listen to this. No. Nope. Nope. No. Hell no. Hold up. Yeah, that's real smooth. I dig that. Yeah, let's go ahead and let me see. Gotta add another track real quick. All right, let's make sure everything's good with that. Make sure, always Complex Pro, because it'll, whatever elements, it'll remove those elements or those artifacts. Let me see. All right. Yeah, okay. Bring it down just a little bit. See? See? Dig that. All right, stretch that joint out. Just let me check this last little piece right here at the end. Make sure that's still gonna be lined up on the grid. Let me see. I think it's in there. Let me check. Yep. All right. Cool. Check it out. So we got the melody and we got the drums. Real simple, just two keys. Like for real. But I'm gonna build around it and you're gonna see how we're gonna make the beat first and then we can move into the other stuff that I said earlier. But right now, we just got the drums, we got the melody. Let's move on to the next one.